We're at the stone giant. Said that I would show him. Well, here he is. So right there, that's the giant's face. And then right here is his left foot, right there. And then that's his right foot, right there. And he's laying down in the mud. The rest of his body, half of his body's in the mud. And it's, this giant died during the flood. That's talked about in the Bible. There's many right there, but this is the best detailed giant that I've been able to find so far. The feet are so detailed. They're sticking out of the ground. I'm gonna go do some videos on them either tomorrow or later on this week. And also the head, just to see what it looks like at a closer view. But yeah, it's unbelievable. I told you I'd show you. I have many more, but this is the best one so far.